Today I'm going to show you how to work with point clouds and import them into ArchiCad. First of all, we need to open Sketchfab and search for point clouds, and we are using now specifically this Castle of Velez Bianco point cloud. Let's see how it looks in the 3D window. Point clouds in general contains three informations. I mean X, Y, Z, basically the coordinates of the data. So we are using PLY originally format. Let's download it. And after, we have to convert this format into another one, which is good for ArchiCad. So now I created in advance a folder. Let's copy our PLY format, point cloud basically. So it's done. Let's close it, and now we have to use CloudCompare. So it's an open source software. We can process any kinds of point clouds. So now let's open our PLY format. Let's find our folder first, ArchiCad point cloud tutorial, and this is our PLY format. Apply all. So this is our 3D points. We can rotate. Of course, if we want, we can make it into a mesh as well. So now save as X, Y, Z coordinate. We need to rename .x, y, z in order to use it into ArchiCad. Let's save into our folder ArchiCad point cloud tutorial, and that's it. So we need to rename it. Save. Yes, saving number of points, processing now. Okay, it's done. Let's move on and open ArchiCad 24 and process our converted point cloud. So first, let's go to File and import point clouds, and we have to use this XYZ format. Let's place it into the ground floor. We have a couple of informations, X, Y, Z coordinates and RGB colors, of course. Create and place, always. Wait a little bit. And now place point cloud origin at project origin, always, ground floor. And this is our point cloud in the 3D window. It's an object. So always when we import any kind of point clouds, it generates object. And in order to be usable, we need to make a layer for this point cloud, underscore POD, I mean point cloud data. It's easy to manage. And now we need to place this point cloud into this layer. So let's change the layer, because now this object is in interior furniture, which is not good for us. We already created the POD layer for this. So let's place into this POD layer. Done. Of course, in ArchiCAD we can hide and unhide these layers if you don't want to see in the 3D workspace. So let's practice it. So basically hide and unhide to make it visible or not. So now it's not visible in the 3D window. We can see in the ground floor, I mean in the floor plan as well, from above our point cloud, which is an object now. There is additional information if you want to see. Of course, we have to change the floor plan and section view, the floor plan display. We have to make it all relevant stories. So that's it. Thank you for all. It was the first tutorial in this series. And yes, of course, we have to save the project. Bye bye.